For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future. Jeremiah 29:11. Hey girl, welcome to my channel. My name is Thebrittanyshanice, and today we're installing Curlsqueen's clip-ins. As you can see, the packaging is well thought out, super cute. It comes with a dimming brush, a bonnet, and also clips if you need to replace the ones on your extensions, because you get a lot of wear out of these clip-ins. They can last a very long time. Before I install the clip-ins, I wanted to dye the hair because my natural hair is now black. I always get tempted to dye it red, but we're going to stick to black. With Curlsqueens, you get a 10-piece set for a full head. This is the waterkinkycoily texture, and it matches my hair perfectly. You'll see in a minute. While dyeing the hair, I made sure I added a little water so I can saturate each strand so I didn't miss anything. After the dyeing process, of course, we have to rinse it out and shampoo it. I use this keratin oil shampoo, something that was in my closet, and it works just fine. So once the hair is all shampooed, let's install the clip-in. So this is my hair after a well-needed trim. I haven't had a professional trim in about 10 years, but my curls are very defined, and I'm just matching up the textures, and it is literally perfect. And I just wanted to show you guys the clips. This is one of the extensions with just the 2 pieces, and now we're going to part our hair because I'm gonna just do half up, half down, make it real easy. I'm not a big braider. I do flat twists, but I'm gonna just do a ponytail right now because we being lazy, okay? And I was getting ready for a concert, so having these extensions was literally perfect. And they're super easy to install, and they're 22 inches, which I love because my hair is short right now and I love inches. Long hair don't care with the extensions. Shout out to Curlsqueen. So my layering process was 4 on the nape of my neck, 5, 4 again, then 3 right here at the top, and on the sides I will add the ones with the 2 clips. Now that we're done with the easy part, it's time to blend the natural hair with the clip-ins. And I just added some water, started clipping them in, and I started with a side part. You can definitely do multiple styles with clip-ins. It's like your real hair. Just place them where you want them. You can add mousse. This mousse wasn't the best, but any other mousse, something with a little that's more hydrating, would be fine. And there you have it. You can add in your smaller pieces to help you blend the top area. Super easy, very convenient. I was feeling myself right here. And now I go in with the OG Eco Styler gel to help it blend real nicely. So the extensions with the 2 clips on there, you get 4 of those, so you can put 2 on each side if you do a middle part, and I'll be showing you guys a middle part in this video as well. And now I have my edge booster for my edges. And now she's done. Super cute. I feel so pretty. The hair blends very well with my natural hair texture. And it's actually so long. Like I said, it's 22 inches. And I was too scared to cut it, to do layers. I cannot cut it. I don't want to cut it. I want to keep it as it is and just grow my hair out so that it'll be super seamless. But right now, it's pretty seamless. It is given, okay? And of course I had to show you guys a middle part, which is honestly my go-to, but I love both looks, side part, middle part. I love it all. Let me know which style you guys like the most, or which style would you try or recommend, and would you try these clip-ins? They're 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair, real thick and full from top to the end. They're actually so thick that I had to take out one of the clip-ins and layer some jam gel, which I never thought I would use, and it made it look a little more natural. Not as fluffy and full, but I still love it. So cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to the Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video and providing these wonderful clip-ins for me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And stay cute, girl. Bye.